going on? We're going to do a recap of 2012 UFC Bloodlines. We'll start with the parallels. Got a Rashad Evans, 188. A Rich Franklin, 188. Alan Belcher, 188. Brock Lesnar, 188. Scott Jorgensen, 188. Sayar, I don't know that name, 188. Tim Bosch, out of 88. Nate Diaz, out of 88. Jake Ellenberger, 8 out of 88, so that's an eBay 1 of 1. Nate Marquardt, out of 88. Relics, Dwayne Ludwig, out of 188. Randy Couture, out of 188. This one's nice. George St. Pierre, out of 88. Glover Teixeira, Matt Relic, numbered 1 of 8. Commemorative patch of Anderson Silva, Brazil, not numbered. Relic auto of Tyrone Woodley, numbered 244, I think. Rich Franklin, relic auto, numbered 229. Autographs, John Hathaway, numbered 229. Vladimir Matyshenko, numbered 275. And Sarah Kaufman, auto, numbered 449. Thanks for watching.